Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from SharePoint to AWS S3 for analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from SharePoint to AWS S3 for analytics, begin by identifying the data you want to migrate. Ensure you have the necessary permissions in both SharePoint and AWS S3. Log into your SharePoint account and navigate to the document library containing the data. Select the files or folders you want to transfer. Download the selected items to your local machine. Next, log in to your AWS Management Console. Go to the S3 service and choose the bucket where you want to upload the data. If you haven't created a bucket yet, click on Create Bucket and follow the prompts. Once you are in the chosen bucket, click on Upload. Add the files or folders you downloaded from SharePoint. Review the upload settings, including permissions and encryption. Click on Upload to begin transferring the files to S3. Wait for the upload to complete, and verify that the files are present in the S3 bucket. To automate this process in the future, consider using AWS Transfer for SFTP. Set up an SFTP server in AWS to facilitate direct integration between SharePoint and AWS S3. Alternatively, use third-party tools like ShareGate or AWS DataSync for a more streamlined approach. Ensure that you have proper security measures in place when transferring data. After successfully transferring your data, set up analytics services in AWS, such as AWS Athena or QuickSight. This will allow you to generate insights from the data you have moved to S3. Monitor the transfer process and address any errors that may arise during the upload. Once everything is set up, your data from SharePoint will now be available for analysis in AWS S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.